Once upon a time, in the early days of Islam, there lived a young boy named Ali in the city of Medina. Ali was a curious and kind-hearted child who loved to explore the world around him. One day, as Ali was playing with his friends in the marketplace, he heard a group of elders talking about the significance of fasting in Islam. Intrigued by their conversation, Ali approached the elders and asked them to tell him more about fasting. The elders explained to him that fasting, or roza, is a special practice observed by Muslims during the month of Ramadan. They told him that fasting helps Muslims develop self-discipline, empathy for the less fortunate, and a deeper connection with Allah. Excited to learn more, Ali decided to ask his parents about fasting when he returned home. His parents told him that fasting was made obligatory for Muslims in the second year after the Hijrah, or migration of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from Mecca to Medina. They explained that fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and a way for Muslims to strengthen their faith and seek forgiveness for their sins. Determined to experience the blessings of fasting for himself, Ali eagerly awaited the arrival of Ramadan. When the month of Ramadan finally came, Ali joined his family and community in observing the fast from dawn until sunset each day. Despite the challenges of hunger and thirst, Ali felt a sense of spiritual fulfillment and closeness to Allah as he dedicated himself to fasting. As Ramadan drew to a close, Ali learned about a special gate in paradise called Rayyan. It is said that only those who observe fasting with sincerity and devotion will be granted entry through this gate into paradise. Inspired by the promise of paradise, Ali made a vow to continue fasting even after Ramadan ended. Years passed, and Ali remained steadfast in his commitment to fasting. He observed not only the obligatory fasts of Ramadan, but also voluntary fasts throughout the year. And when the time came for him to depart from this world, Ali was greeted by the angels at the gates of paradise. With a smile on his face, Ali entered through the gate of Rayyan, knowing that his dedication to fasting had earned him a place in the eternal gardens of paradise. And so, children, let us remember the story of Ali and the importance of fasting in Islam. Just as Ali found joy and blessings in observing the fasts of Ramadan, let us strive to emulate his example and seek the